Hello everyone, today I am solving another question of CSIR NET June 2020. In this question, consider the solution y1 and y2 to the homogeneous linear system of differential equation y dash t equal to minus 5, 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 6 into y of t. Which of the following statements are true? Option A, y1 and y2 from a basis for the set of all solution to star. Option B, y1 and y2 are linearly independent but do not form a basis for the set of all solutions to star. Option C, there exists another solution y3 such that y1, y2, y3 form a basis for the set of all solutions to star. And option D is y1 and y2 are linearly dependent. Now solve this question. Note, standard form of homogeneous system of ordinary differential equation is y dash t equal to a into y of t, where a is matrix and its order depend on total number of equation and total number of variable. The solution of the above system is y of t equal to summation I ci e to the power lambda I t into xit, where ci is arbitrary constant, lambda I is eigenvalues, and xi is eigenvector to corresponding eigenvalues lambda I. Given that y dash t equal to minus 5, 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 6 into yt, and the solution given that y1 and y2. Now let matrix A equal to minus 5, 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, 1 and minus 1, 1, minus 6. Also by given solution, we observe that minus 3 and minus 5 are two eigenvalues of matrix A. Since the matrix A is 3 cross 3 order, therefore it have 3 eigenvalues. Now we find third eigenvalues. We know that product of eigenvalues is equal to determinant of A. Now all these value put in equation 4, we get lambda 3 is equal to minus 7. Hence third eigenvalues is minus 7. Observation 1. All eigenvalues are different such that minus 3, minus 5 and minus 7. Second is corresponding eigenvectors are linearly independent. And third is the given system of differential equation have three basis vector which is form the set of solution. Hence option B and C are correct. Thank you.